Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is a guide towards buying the best vacuum cleaners based on their cleaning power, bin compartment, filters, attachments, maneuverability, brushes, and price. Let's take a closer look at each of these 5 best vacuum cleaners. This is Shark Apex UpLight Lift-Away DuoClean Corded Vacuum. It is a very good overall stick vacuum, and is ideal if you have pets as it easily vacuums hair on any type of surface. It easily cleans up any type of debris on this surface, such as hair, rice, or cereal. It has a very strong suction power, and it can suck up any type of debris without a problem. It has a decent build quality with mainly plastic except for the metal wand, and the dirt compartment is made out of transparent plastic for easy visibility. The head comes with lots of control, or indicators such as overheating, or jam in the Brushroll indicator, which makes it easy to operate. You can easily switch between the configurations, and easy to maintain with fairly accessible parts such as dirt compartment, main brush, and soft brush roll, premotor, and HEPA filters. It is cost-effective with no regular costs, and if you maintain the filters well, you wouldn't have to replace them for a few years. It has onboard storage space for hard bristle brush, and crevice tool, and unfortunately, there is no place the turbo brush on it. The dirt compartment is one of the main components for the vacuum, because bigger it is, more area you can cover before you need to empty it, and for UpLight it is a good size for a stick vacuum. This vacuum has a standard length for a vacuum, and it's long enough for you to vacuum an entire room. Considering it's fairly heavy overall, it has decent portability, and you can easily maneuver as a handheld vacuum. You can use UpLight as a handheld vacuum by removing the wand, using the hose. The Shark Apex UpLight is a very good, well-rounded stick vacuum with an excellent vacuum for use on bare floors. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Dyson V11 Torque Drive Cordless Vacuum. The specialty of cordless vacuums is that they have unlimited range. V11 has a great overall performance on most surface types, and easily fits into tight spaces, and you can easily convert it into a handheld vacuum to clean cars. It comes with many accessories to help you for better cleaning. However, like other Dyson cordless vacuums, it feels a bit fragile, and the dirt compartment is enough for a cordless vacuum. Apart from the metal wand, the rest of the vacuum is made almost entirely out of plastic, but it feels nice. Furthermore, it has a pretty intuitive design that's easy to assemble, and the parts clip together with ease, and comes apart without much trouble. It has strong suction power for pet hairs as well as small and large debris, and it lasts 10 minutes when using its boost setting, and can go for over an hour on the eco setting mode. V11 is easy to maintain with regular cleaning of filters with easy access. And it is smart enough that its indicator lights will let you know when the filter needs cleaning, or blocked. It is a bagless vacuum, so it virtually has no recurring costs, and the filter is expected to last for almost as long as the vacuum as long as you keep it clean. Storing it is easy with its tall and narrow design, that fits in tight spaces like a small broom closet. It is a lightweight vacuum and is quite portable, and it has a carrying handle for more comfortable use in handheld mode, and has good maneuverability. It has few very useful features such as it automatically adjusts its power level based on its required performance. The Dyson V11 Animal is great for bare floors, and does a great job in picking up pet hair as well as small and large debris. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is BISSELL Cleanview Swivel Pet Vacuum. It is an upright vacuum designed for pet owners as it can easily pick up hair from all surface types. Although it doesn't use an anti-allergy HEPA filter. It has decent performance on bare floors as well as low to the high pile carpet. It is fairly easy to maintain, but its rotating head doesn't help improve its ability to move through rooms, which makes it hard to maneuver. It comes with several tools and brushes, and it can be transformed easily into a semi-handheld position. The vacuum is made from plastic including parts like its hose, and 2 wheels. The decent dirt compartment is easy to remove that opens from the bottom so you can empty dirt, or the cyclone cylinder. It has some reoccurring costs such as its 2 pre-motor filters, 1 carbon, and 1 foam, which need to be replaced every 6 to 8 months. It has a fairly wide footprint, but it can be easily stored away when not in use with most of its brushes and tools directly stored on the vacuum body. It has a fairly long cord length, but hose might be quite short when stretched out. The BISSELL Cleanview Swivel Pet is an upright vacuum that's designed for cleaning up after shedding pets, but even if you don't have pets, it still has an overall decent performance for bare floors and high pile carpet. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Shark Rocket Pet Pro with self-cleaning brushroll. It is an impressive cordless stick vacuum with a lightweight handheld configuration, and this vacuum can be used as a handheld. It easily picks up pet hair on all surfaces, and its self-cleaning brushroll helps it to remove hair as you clean. This cordless comes with a couple of tools and brushes, and hard bristle brush attaches to the upholstery tool. Also, it can clean small and large debris from bare floors very well. This vacuum also has excellent maneuverability, making it easy to clean in every corner. It is fairly easy to maintain with no extra recurring costs as long as you keep its parts cleaned regularly. It doesn't have a decent-sized dirt compartment, and would need frequent emptying. The Shark Rocket Pet Pro has a decent build quality with mostly made from hard plastic. Its battery performance is decent, and it takes under 3 hours for it to fully charge up. It has an unlimited range as long as you have battery life along with handheld configuration, and excellent performance on bare floors. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is BISSELL Adapt Ion Pet 2-in-1 Cordless Stick Vacuum. It is a uniquely designed hybrid upright or handheld vacuum with its center motor, which can be used as a lightweight handheld vacuum. Its cordless design provides an unlimited range, and it's lightweight, which makes it highly maneuverable. This vacuum can easily pick up pet hair, which makes it a suitable choice for those with shedding pets. It is reasonably well built despite it's entirely made from plastic, and the handheld vacuum feels sturdy. The vacuum has a simple design, making it quick to assemble, or switch into a different configuration. Its upright vacuum body even has a unique two-way folding handle, which makes it easier to store, or reach under tables and chairs. It has virtually no recurring costs, as long as each part is well maintained. It is fairly easy to store away by pulling the lever on the handle, and you can fold this part backward. It doesn't come with many accessories but just the crevice and upholstery tools. Overall, this is a decent cordless vacuum for pet hair or small debris. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.